Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Alcatel 1SE Lite. So when I have a problem with headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just reset the Bluetooth connection. So just switch it off and switch it on again to reset it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find the manual at your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So just check how to enable the pair mode in your device and be sure that your gadget should be visible for the devices. But if still not for your phone, go to the settings, swipe down to the system and choose the advanced. Tap on it to expand this section and select the reset options. As you can see, you have our network settings, so Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on it, click reset settings, configure your pattern of the code, and tap on the reset settings again. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go back to times and choose the system update. Tap on the check for updates if you have any, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone or another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.